show you guys how to install external battery onto the 010X, 11X and 8X. Okay, they all function the same. So what we have here, charging port for the external battery, the wire setup with the 3-way switch for controller A and B for the external battery, external battery itself, battery bag, and the kiddie bar. We're going to install the wiring, remove the grip tape, keep it aside, unscrew these ports. Okay. Once you access the battery compartment and the controller compartment, you need to open up the side cover. Okay, so side cover, basically unscrew the 2 screws on top and below using a Phillips screwdriver. Slide the cover forward. You're able to access the ports here. You can see that there's a gap here for the existing charging port wires to go through. Now you have to slot this in. Okay, so what you have to do is slot them in one by one. Okay, if you have trouble trying to slot them in, what you can do is remove the controller. So you have more space. Okay, once this wire is in, you need to unplug this ones. Okay, so how does it goes about? Very simple. These ports, they will be numbered 1 and 2. You have a male and female on each side. Okay, do not mix them up. Unplug the battery from the controller. Now what you need to do, 1 goes to 1. Okay, and to the other side. For the other controller, same thing. 2 goes to 2. Okay, once that is done, is to rearrange the wiring. Then the DC converter goes back in. Okay, once this is done, next is the side cover. See this gap here? Okay, it should fit in nicely with the wires here and the brake cable hose sitting inside this gap. Next, this is for 1 and 2. Okay, so plug in. So this is 1. So both have to go to the same battery. Switch it on. You will show the voltage for the battery inside. Make sure both switch over at the same time. Okay, if you switch to center, there will be no voltage at all. Okay, so you switch to first battery, which is the external battery. You will show the voltage for the external battery. Okay. This wiring, why to go through this port is to make sure the arrangement of the wiring is easy to go through. You can cable tie these 2 parts, and all this can be kept inside here. Charging port for external battery, switch to neutral for both sides, and there you go. Charging port is ready to use. You can hide the charging port in there, or you can unplug the charging port to keep it aside. Within the pouch, okay, once that's done, once you arrange the wiring, you'll be ready to go. Now is to close the bag. Cover back, put back all the screws, and it's all ready to go.